Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Imtiaz Safdar. I am your maths teacher. Beta, today we will start fourth week syllabus of class 9th exercise 4.4. Question number 1. The question number 1 is rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. When I write the question, then I will explain you what is rationalization. 3 over 4 under root 3. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. It means we have to remove the radical sign from the denominator. Beta, rationalization means we have to remove the radical sign from the denominator. In the denominator there is 3 radical sign. This is radical 3. This is radical 3. We have to remove it. Very simple method, beta. Write the question. 3 over 4 under root 3 equal to 3 over 4 under root 3, and beta we have to multiply and divide the radical number. Here the radical number is 3. Now divide, multiply and divide it. This is the method for rationalization. We multiply and divide the number which is in radical sign. Now we have to simplify it. 3 under root 3, 4 under root 3 square. Now it will be cancelled. It is equal to 3 under root 3 over 4 into 3. 3 and 3 cancelled. The answer is under root 3 over 4. This is the answer, beta. Now beta, second part. 14 over under root 98. We have to rationalize it. What is the method of rationalization? Better write it again, this fraction. 14 over 98 is equal to 14 over 98 multiply. Now we have to multiply and divide the number which is in radical sign, that is under root 98 over under root 98. Now we have to simplify it. 14 factorize 98, that is 49 multiplied by 2, 98 square. Cancel it. 14 multiply 49 square root 7 square root 2 over 98. 14 1 the 14 7 the 7 1 the 7 1 the answer is under root 2. Now beta, part number 3. 6 over under root 8 under root 27. Beta, same method, we will follow the same method. Write the question. equal to, again write it. Now beta, multiply and divide by the numbers which are in radical sign. The numbers which are in radical sign are under root 8, under root 27, multiply and then divide. The same way beta, बिल्कुल same way, equal to 6. Factorize under root 8, that is 4 multiply 2. Factorize 27, 9 multiply 3, and under root 8 square, under root 27 square. This will be cancelled. 6 multiply. What is square root of 4? That is 2. Square root 2. Square root of 9, that is 3 into 3 over 8 multiply 27. Now beta, cancel the values. 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27, 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. It is equal to, now what is left in numerator? Under root 2 multiply under root 3 and 2 multiply 3. It is equal to under root 6 over 6. This is the final answer beta. Now beta, part number 4. One over 3 plus 2 under root 5. Again write this. 3 plus 2 under root 5 is equal to 1 over 3 plus 2 under root 5. Now beta, we have to take the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means you will have to change the sign. If there is plus, then change it into negative. If there is negative, then change it into positive. Here 3 plus 2 5. Now change plus, that is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 5 over 3 minus 2 under root 5. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. Denominator 3 plus 2 under root 5. Conjugate, its conjugate is 3 minus 2 under root 5. Now multiply and divide by 3 minus 2 under root 5. Now we have to solve it. 1 into 3 minus 2 under root 5 remains same. 3 minus 2 under root 5 over 3 plus 2 under root 5 into 3 minus 2 under root 5. Now 3 minus 2 under root 5. Beta, this is the formula a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. Now 3 square minus 2 square root 5 square. This is the formula a square minus b square. You have already learned it beta. 3 minus 2 under root 5 over What is the square of 3? That is 9 minus square of 2, 4, and square root of 5, that is square of square root 5, that is 5. 3 minus 2 under root 5 over 9 minus 20, that is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 5 over minus 11. This is the final answer. You can write it also minus 1 over 11 into 3 minus 2 under root 5. Now beta, we are doing the seventh part. Seventh part now beta. Under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1. Write it again. Under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1, that is equal to under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1. Now multiply, conjugate, multiply and divide with the conjugate of the denominator. What is the denominator? Under root 3 plus 1. Under root 3 plus 1. Its conjugate is under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 minus 1. This is the conjugate of under root 3 plus 1. Now we have to simplify it. You can see that under root 3 minus 1 multiply under root 3 minus 1. So it is under root 3 minus 1 whole square. And under root 3 plus 1 under root 3 minus 1, it is the formula a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Now it is under root 3 square minus 1 square, that is equal to, now open the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2a into b over, this will be cancelled, 3 minus 1, this will be cancelled, it is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 under root 3 over 2. Now beta, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 under root 3 over 2. You can take now common in the numerator, that is 2. 2 minus under root 3 over 2. 2 is cancelled. The answer is 2 minus under root 3. Better the parts which we left, that is your homework. Write down your homework. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Part number 5, 6 and 8. Now you will try these parts. Okay. Now we move to the question number 2, which is very simple. We have already discussed it. Question number 2, exercise 4.4. Very simple question beta. Objective type question. What is the conjugate of 3 plus under root 7. We have already discussed it. How can we take the conjugate? Just change the sign. Conjugate of 3 plus under root 7 is, yes, 3 minus under root 7. This is the conjugate. You can see another part, very simple, 8th part. Nine plus under root 2. Conjugate nine minus under root 2. Similarly, you can take conjugate of all these parts. Question number 2. Question number 3 beta now. If x equal to 2 minus under root 3, then we have to find 1 over x. Write it again. X equal to 2 minus under root 3. Take the reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal of x is 1 over x. Reciprocal of 2 minus under root 3 is 1 over 2 minus under root 3. Now beta, we have to rationalize it. The same way, we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of 2 minus under root 3. What is the conjugate of 2 minus under root 3? 2 minus under root 3 multiply 2 plus under root 3 over 2 plus under root 3. Now solve it. 1 multiply this, same, 2 plus under root 3. And the same formula, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus under root 3 square. Two plus under root 3 over square of 2 is 4 minus this will be cancelled. Now beta, final answer is 2 plus under root 3. This was the first part. Question number 3, third part. Second part you will do by yourself. I will write in the end beta. Part number 3 now. X is equal to under root 3 plus 2. Then we have to find x plus 1 over x. Same way, write x is equal to under root 3 plus 2. Now take the reciprocal of x, that is 1 over x. Reciprocal of under root 3 plus 2, that is under 1 over under root 3 plus. Now rationalize it. Take the conjugate of under root 3 plus 2, then multiply and divide it, that is multiply under root 3 minus 2 over under root 3 minus 2. Now 1 into multiply this same as it is. Over a square minus b square. The formula we have used is frequently under root 3 square minus 2 square. Under root 3 minus 2 over cancelled 3 minus 4. Now under root 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 4 minus 1. In this situation you can change the sign of numerator. If there is negative sign in the denominator, then you can change the sign of the numerator. That is positive square root 3 is minus square root 3 and minus 2 is plus 2. This is a way to solve in the denominator. If in the denominator, if there is minus 1 over x. Now we have to add x and 1 over x. X plus 1 over x. What is x? X is our question. Under root 3 plus 2 and 1 over x is here, minus under root 3 plus 2. It will be cancelled. X plus 1 over x, that is equal to 4. Beta, your homework. Remaining parts of question number 2 and question number 3 part 2nd. It is your homework, beta. Write down it. Now beta, question number 4. Question number 4 part 1st. We have to simplify 1 plus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 3 plus 1 minus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 3. We have to simplify. But the same way, we have to rationalize 1 plus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 3 separately, and 1 minus square root 2 over square root 5 minus square root 3 separately. The method is same. So you will have to write 1 plus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 3. Now rationalize it, multiply and divide by under root 5 conjugate minus under root 3 over under root 5 minus under root 3. Similarly, beta, 1 minus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 3 multiply and divide by conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 3, that is under root 5 plus under root 3 over under root 5 plus under root 3. Now we have to simplify it. 1 plus under root 2 multiply under root 5 minus 3. First of all, take 1 into under root 5 minus under root 3, then plus under root 2 and again write under root 5 minus under root 3. We are taking the product of 1 plus under root 2 and under root 5 minus under root 3. This is a simple way to find the product of both these values. First take 1, then write the bracket, in the bracket under root 5 minus under root 3, then take under plus under root 2, and again the same value under root 5 minus under root 3, and over same way beta a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square plus, and same way 1 into under root 5 plus under root 3 minus under root 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3, and under root 5 square minus under root 3 square. One multiply under root 5 minus under root 3 will remain same, under root 5 minus under root 3, and then under root 2 multiply under root 5, that is under root 10 and minus under root 6 over 5 minus 3 plus under root 5 plus under root 3 minus under root 10 minus under root 6 over 5 minus 3. Take LCM, that is 2, write it same value in the numerator, plus under root 5 plus under root 3 minus under root 10 minus under root 6 minus under root 3 plus under root 3, it will be cancelled, under root 10 plus under root 10 minus under root 10, under root 5 plus under root 5, under root 5 plus under root 5 minus under root 6 minus under root 6 over 2, under root 5 plus under root 5 means 2 under root 5, just like x plus x, 2x minus under root 6 minus under root 6 minus 2 under root 6 over 2, 2 common, 2 cancelled, under root 5 minus under root 6. This is the final answer, beta. Now the next part, one over 2 plus under root 3 plus 2 over under root 5 minus 3 plus 1 over 2 plus under root 5 2 plus under root 5. But the same way, we have to rationalize separately all three fractions and then simplify. 1 over 2 plus under root 3 multiply. Conjugate of 2 plus under root 3, that is 2 minus under root 3 over 2 minus under root 3 plus 2 over 5 minus 3 multiply under root 5 plus 3 over under root 5 plus 3, and then plus 1 over 2 plus under root 5 multiply 2 minus under root 5 over 2 minus under root 5. Now better simplify it. 1 into multiply 2 minus under root 3, that is 2 minus under root 3 over a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square plus 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3 over under root 5 square minus under root 3 square, and then plus 2 minus under root 5 over 2 square minus under root 5 square. Now 2 minus under root 3 over square of 2, 4, square root cancel, 3 plus 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3 over, it will be cancelled, 5 minus 3 plus 2 minus under root 5 over square of 2 is 4 minus square root cancelled minus 5. That is 2 minus under root 3 over 1 plus 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3 over 2 plus 2 minus under root 5 over minus 1. So beta 2 minus under root 3 as it is, 2 cancelled, plus under root 5 plus under root 3, and then if there is minus 1 in the denominator, then change the sign of numerator, that is minus 2 plus under root 5 plus 2 minus 2 cancelled, minus square root 3 plus square root 3 cancelled. Now what is left? Under root 5 plus under root 5. It is equal to 2 under root 5. Beta, your homework is question number 4, part 3rd. Similar parts You can do it by yourself, beta. Now question number 5. Question 5 part second, beta. Part path is similar, you can do it by yourself. So second part is x equal to under root 5 minus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 2, and we have to find x plus 1 over x square plus 1 over x square, and x cube plus 1 over x cube. Now beta, write x is equal to under root 5 minus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 2, and rationalize it. Means multiply and divided by the conjugate of the term which is in the denominator, that is under root 5 minus under root 2 under root 5 minus under root 2, that is equal to, now you can see that in the numerator under root 5 minus under root 2 multiply under root 5 minus under root 2, it means under root 5 minus under root 2 whole square, and in the denominator the same formula, a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is a square minus b square. Now open the formula. A square plus b square minus 2 a b, it will be cancelled, 5 minus 2, it will be cancelled, that is 5 plus 2 7 minus 2 under root 10 over 3. Now taking the reciprocal of x, that is 1 over x. Reciprocal of x is under root 5 plus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 2. Now again rationalize this in the same way, under root 5 plus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 2. Now multiply and divide by its conjugate, that is under root 5 plus under root 2 and under root 5 plus under root 2 whole square, under root 5 plus under root 2 whole square, and here is a square minus b square. Open this whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, this will be cancelled, 5 minus 2. Now better write 1 over x is equal to 5 plus 2 plus 2 under root 10 over 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 1 over x is equal to 7 plus 2 under root 10 over 3. Now beta we will add x and 1 over x. X plus 1 over x. What is x equal to in the previous page? 7 minus 2 under root 10 over 3. 7 minus 2 into under root 10 over 3, and what is 1 over x? That is 7 plus 2 under root 10 over 3. Now taking the LCM, 3, 7 minus 2 under root 10 plus 7 plus 2 under root 10. It will be cancelled. The answer is 7 plus 7, 14 over 3. It is our first answer. Now taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. X plus 1 over x square, it is equal to 14 over 3 whole square. Now better open x plus 1 over x whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. And what is the square of 14? That is 196. What is square of 3? That is 9. It will be cancelled. X square plus 1 over x square, it is equal to 196 over 9 minus 2. Now take LCM, that is 9 196 as it is, minus 9 to the 18. So minus it, the answer is 196 minus 18, 178. 178 over 9. It is x square plus 1 over x square. It is our second part. Now we move to the third part. X plus 1 over x is equal to 14 over 3. Now taking cube on both sides, that is x plus 1 over x whole cube, it is equal to 14 over 3 whole cube. Open this formula. You have already know this formula beta. X cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 over x. And what is the cube of 14 over 3? Cube of 14 over 3 is 2744 over 27. Put the value of x plus 1 over x, that is x plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into 14 over 3. 2744 over 27, 3 cancelled. Now take 14 on the other side, that is minus 14. So x cube plus 1 over x cube, it is equal to 2744 over 27 minus 14. Now taking the LCM, 2744 minus 27 multiply 4. The answer is 378. Now subtract it. The answer is 2366 over 27. This is the final answer. Beta, your homework is question number 5, part first. Simple part. You can do it by yourself. Now beta, last question, that is very important. Question number 6. We have to find A and B. If under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1 plus under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 minus 1, that is equal to A plus B under root 3. But the same way we have to rationalize both fractions separately, then we will be able to find A and B. In a similar way, you will have to rationalize under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1 and under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 minus 1. Same way beta, under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1, multiply its conjugate, that is under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 minus 1, plus next fraction under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 minus 1, multiply it under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 plus 1 is equal to A plus B under root 3. But under root 3 minus 1 multiply under root 3 minus 1. It means same terms. So it is whole square over under root 3 square minus 1 square. Similarly, under root 3 plus 1 whole square over under root 3 square minus 1 square. Open this with the help of formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB over 3 minus 1 and plus A square plus B square plus 2 AB over 3 minus 1 is equal to, cancelled, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 under root 3 over 2 plus, cancelled, 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 under root 3 over 2 is equal to A plus B under root 3. Now let us take LCM. 2 is LCM. 4 minus 2 under root 3 plus 4 plus 2 under root 3 is equal to A plus B under root 3. It will be cancelled. 8 over 2, it is equal to A plus B under root 3. 2 1 the 2 4 the. Better for comparison, we can write 4 plus 0 into under root. This is, we are writing for the comparison of A plus B under root 3. This is actually 0. 0 multiplied square root 3 is 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. The value is same. We are making just comparison of A and B. Now compare. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 0. Now it is the final answer of the last question, that is A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 0. Beta, this is your syllabus of the 4th week, that is 4.4. It is now completed, beta. Listen it carefully and do all questions. Do more and more practice, beta. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz, beta.